you haven't tried nature's cereal yet, you're missing out. I'm using strawberries, fresh juicy mango, crispy pomegranate seeds, and blueberries. Add coconut water for electrolytes and ice cubes. This snack is filled with antioxidants and fiber and actually tastes amazing.
This, my friends, is what breakfast cereal looks like for me. I call it nature's cereal. This combination, I'm gonna share with you what it does for me specifically. Whenever I eat this cereal in the morning, first thing in the morning, it helps with digestion. So any kind of constipation issues, it'll help. It'll definitely give you relief in that way. But my number one thing when I eat this, number one thing that I notice is the energy level. The energy level is through the roof. I literally felt like I could run a marathon.
It's hella good. Give it a 10.
New food TikTok trend.
I'm making nature cereal again, but the way my mom would make it. I'm starting with pomegranate, blueberries, and blackberries. Then I'm adding bananas, freshly squeezed orange juice, rose water, and a little bit of mint. Give it a good stir, and it's so good.
Okay guys, the moment we've all been waiting for, trying out Lizzo's nature cereal. So I have blueberries. Oh, I already put ice in this bowl because my ice was in my water bottle and I use my water bottle as a tripod, so yeah. Okay, pomegranate. They didn't have fresh pomegranate. I kind of poured a lot. Also, that smells a little weird. Are you supposed to shake this? I don't know. I'm gonna shake it. 7-Eleven brand, yep. Super bougie around here. Okay, so let's see if this is, whoa, this has mini coconut in it. That's cool. Okay, let's see if this is worth the hype. Got a little bit of everything. It's delicious. Yep.
Nature's cereal. Let's see what this is all about. Strawberries, blueberries, and blackberries. Can't forget the ice. And then add coconut water. Well, the answer is, it's bussin'. Let's see what this nature cereal trend is all about.
I'm using half a watermelon as the bowl. I'm throwing in some blackberries, raspberries, blueberries, and pomegranate seeds, all the goods. Now fill her up with coconut water, lurking cat unfortunately not included, topping this off with frozen pink coconut water in the shape of little stars. Now isn't this just adorable?
All right, bottoms up. I think I get it.
It's time to try nature's cereal. Honestly, I've been waiting for this. Now, I know we made a couple jokes about nature's cereal, but on the bright side, y'all forgot this might be a fun way to eat fruit. Cause I know most of y'all talking that smack, your organs probably need it. And now I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little skeptical about this coconut water. But don't knock it until you try it. Some of y'all haven't seen a damn piece of fiber in about 3 years. And here's my honest opinion. Now, bismillah. Okay. I'm not lying, this is actually pretty good. The pomegranate seeds give a nice little crunch. The berries are nice and sweet. I'm not joking, this is actually pretty good. And remember, this is just a fun way to get some fruit in your system.
يلا نشوف ترند التيك توك الجديد. على الأقل المرة دي it's a healthy one. الفكرة إن هما مسمينه nature cereal أو natural cereal، يعني حبيبات كده زي الكورن فليكس مثلا بس من الطبيعة. obviously بديل الحبوب هو الفواكه اللي بستخدمها. المفروض ان هي انواع مختلفة من البيري زي الستروبري ولا البلاك بيري ولا البلو بيري راسبيري، اي حاجة فيها بيري من الاخر. اوكي، كنت عايزة اقول لكم عشان انا بحب الحاجات الساقعة حطيت تلج، تقدروا تستبدلوه متحطوش خالص. هنا بقى المفاجأة، بدل الحليب حطينا كوكونات واتر. سو تخيلوا معايا، بدل الكورن فليكس والحليب هيبقى فواكه شكلها يفتح النفس ومية جوز هند، بس كده. Can you please try it and tell me what you think?
Some strawberries, some blueberries, some ice cubes, some pomegranate seeds, which will run you about $5. If you can get it fresh, that would be nice. But if not, you can get it also in a cup like this. And then some coconut water. Then we're gonna put some of our strawberries. And then for some contrast, I'm gonna put the blueberries. The pomegranate, which is so pretty. There comes the coconut water. How interesting is that?
My girls have been talking about the nature cereal all over TikTok, so I decided to do it for them. Mis hijas han estado hablando del cereal de la naturaleza que anda aquí por todo TikTok, así que decidí hacérselo. But instead of using bottle or canned coconut water, I'm using fresh, and that's more healthy. En vez de utilizar la agua embotellada o enlatada de coco, yo estoy utilizando fresca, y eso es más saludable. Ok.